out of mushroom.
As we all know, mushrooms has a lot of health benefits into our body. So, mushroom can help us to regulate our blood pressure, and also it's really good for those diabetics, and of course it will boost our immune system and also help us to fight cancer and everything. So, today we will make this very comforting Korean soup out of mushrooms. Okay, I have here 4 kinds of mushrooms. I have here portobello mushroom. This is the very big mushroom, and a brown cremini, and of course this is the enoki, white and brown. You can use any kind of mushrooms that is available in your area. Okay, and I will be adding a beef. You can replace it with pork or chicken, alright, and a large chopped white onion. I also have here 3 spring onions, and I will be adding this serrano pepper. It's very hot. It's a hot chili pepper, and of course a lot of garlics. You can use 5 cloves or 6 cloves, okay, and I will be adding up a basil, fresh one, and of course a sesame paste, carrots, and also a glutinous rice flour. Alright, so we will now start making our very comforting soup. Alright, so let's heat up the pan. I'll add in a little bit of vegetable oil. You can use olive oil. Okay, next I'll add in the garlic. And then next we'll add in the onion. And the beef. And a fish sauce. Okay, next we'll add in the 6 cups of water. Let's cover the pot and wait until it boils. Now it's boiling, so we can add now all the mushrooms. Okay. Add in also the carrots, the basil, and the chili, and let's boil again for about 15 minutes. Smells so good, guys. So after 15 minutes, look at this. It's so yummy now. Look at this, guys. This is a very quick but very healthy and comfort soup that you can get. Okay, you can omit the hot chili pepper if you want to, if you don't want your soup to be spicy. but for me, I like it with a little kick. Alright, so I mix in the sesame seed paste with the glutinous rice. Okay, so I'm gonna add into my soup like this. So guys, here it is, our very comforting soup, our mushroom soup. There you go. This is really good. You have to try it. Turn off the heat and we're done. Here it is guys, our very comforting, very healthy and very delicious mushroom soup. You can try it for you and for your family. Till next time again, and thank you so much to all my subscribers. And if you are not subscribed yet in my channel, please do so. Alright guys, see you next time. Bye bye.